JDCap26 here, just do tips and tips and hobbies, and welcome to my channel. And I want to just say to all my subscribers, you are all my subscribers. I have 3,600 subscribers, and I wish all of you would put your notification bell on for me. I have videos twice a week. I know they come out at different times, and you don't have to watch them right when they come out, but please watch them. And I'd appreciate that, because I got a notification from YouTube Central that not all my subscribers have their notification bell on, and that that doesn't help me with my views. I need views to make content. I have to survive too. So also on my channel, I'd like to let you know that I have a lot of different channels. They're not my own, they're my friends' channels. And if you can't find an answer on my channel, or you could ask me directly if you want. You can go to my friend's channel and you may find the answer there. Search for the answer there. Just go to the channel section of my channel and you'll see all the channels that are listed there. And they're a bunch of great guys and girls. So I appreciate if you would like to, do that. It's kind of like, cross promoting. So please put your notification bells on, is what I want to emphasize. So thanks. Have a nice day. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and comment if you'd like. Say hi. Just say hi. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.